Nation, how are you? Happy Friday. Do we love the hair? I cut it myself. Yeah, I got a cap and I styled it. You guys let me know if you want me to do some wig hairstyles for you. The thing for me is that I just don't like that glue in front. I just don't like it. I am very OCD, what do they call it? So I can see it. And if I can see it, I can see it. And I can't unsee it. So I just did something like this where you have it in the middle and you can flick the sides so it looks pretty natural-esque, you know. Anywho, welcome back to my channel, my darlings. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so welcome, my loves. And today is about femininity. Today is about slips. Today is about undergarment. Your undergarment. I feel I'm old school. I'm 52. And so I come from an era where you are dressed, and when you get undressed, you're still dressed. It is an experience, most especially for those of you that have husbands and lovers and boyfriends, and you get undressed. It's layers all the way down to the candy. I am telling you that if you tell your husband, boyfriend, lover this, he'll tell you she's right. It's an experience every time, and it's a treat for you. And it's also a way for you to feel confident, you know, because you know that you are protected. There will be no slip-ups, no pun intended, and if anything happens, you have an underlayer garment that will take care of you. These are my slips behind here. I washed all of them. I washed all of them for you, and I put them up here. And a lot of you will be asking before I even start, Fumi, where did you get your slips and undergarments from? From all over the world, for the simple fact that I love color. I love color, and the traditional colors were beige, white, black. That was it. We are just coming to where we're having skin flesh slips. And let me just point out here, for example, like this brown toned one, which is pretty close to my complexion. But other than that, it was really just beige, white, and black, and that was fine. But I just needed more pizzazz. I just needed more zhazh. So I got my slips from Marks and Spencer. I got my slips from Paris, from Capri, from Morocco, from Dubai, you know, from so many different countries where Ula and I really traveled before we had Adrian. And of course, by the time we had Adrian, it was 1 year, and then we were done on lockdown. So of course we'll travel again. I'll pick up slips and I'll make it a point to tag, you know, the places that I got them at, because at this point I'm positive that everybody ships internationally. Okay, Fumi, so why do we have to have a slip? Because sometimes you don't want your dress to be see-through. Sometimes it's just not that dress. So you have a slip that you can wear underneath. You can also wear slips for it to be a barrier between your skirt or dress and you, because it's itchy, because the tag is itchy, because no matter what, even when you flip your leg one side or the other and it parts in the middle, your slip is there to cover you and give you confidence, especially in the office. I have, for example, this is a slip. It's white. I should have chosen a different color, and it goes all the way. So it means that you can put in your skirt, you can have your shirt like I have, like so, and it has a barrier between your shirt and your what? And your bra. Let me give you an example. And it's so feminine and it looks so alluring. On top of which, when you go out, you're finished with the office. Are we not? Okay. So you know what? You want to feel good. So you take down your button shirt that you wore to the office because you're that boss. This bra is Kim's. I think Skims. Yes, I think this is Skims, flesh colored, which I love. I'm going to put this slip over so that I can give you an understanding. There you go. The girls are good. Yeah, that's really pretty, Foams. And instead of buttoning your shirt, you just tie it in the waist. So let me set up. Do you see? You just tie it like so and just look. All of a sudden, you're looking ready for cocktails and drinks. And that is the power of having a slip. because it's covered. It covers the barrier. You're comfortable. You can have your drinks and it looks super cute, and you've tied your shirt at the waist. This is what slips are all about. It's so feminine, it's so much fun. Marks and Spencer, I would say, is one of the biggest that has a huge variety. You can also try Bloomingdale's, try Barney's. I don't know what is Barney's still. I think Barney's is closed, but Bloomingdale's, Macy's, Lord and Taylor, and I will take you. We'll do a blog where we'll go and we will see what they have. But this is a full slip. And you can wear your skirt, you're good to go. You can also wear them for dresses. That's what I like about full slips. I am Nigerian, half Nigerian, half Gambian. And so we wear lots of kaftans, flowing kaftans. You wear your long slip over that. We also have what they call ashoiki. So you have the top, which is really full of lace, and you can wear this underneath. As a matter of fact, you know what? Let me demonstrate for you guys. Like I was saying, so look, this is Nigerian lace. Look at how see-through it is. It's beautiful. But, my darlings, if I take my orange slip, just let me show you how it looks. There you go. Fabulous. And then wait. There you go. This is the point that I'm trying to make. It just makes everything so gorgeous. Because you have them in different colors, it just works for so many of your outfits, especially when it comes to traditional outfits from Nigeria. My Nigerian sisters, you ask your seamstresses, because they sew your outfits anyway, to get your fabric and let them sew you some beautiful colored slips. You can also do that. You will be surprised if you speak to your alterations guy. I swear by mine. He will tell you, oh, I can make you a couple of beautiful slips for you that you can wear underneath your outfits and be fabulous. 110%. I also have shorter slips. Let me show you here. This is a beautiful rose pink, and it's short for my shorter skirts so that I still have something. When it flounces up, you're looking gorgeous, my darlings. And I have it also in the longer length. There you go. Because a lot of you said, Fumi, we really want to see your slips, you know. And so I have it in the long and I have it in the short, okay? So those are some ideas for you. If you're wearing a suit, my darlings, let me get you a jacket. Ha! This, my darlings, is Dolce & Gabbana. It's one of my favorite jackets ever. Beautiful. You want to be feminine, as well as getting your point across in the boardroom. But you're leaving the boardroom and you're going for your date, you're going for dinner, but you don't have time to go home. All right, let me show you what to do. Put on your slip. As you can see, it's got that kind of diamante cut. Very fabulous. This is more of a fitted one. Let me just raise up, guys, so that you can see. Can you see the weight loss is working? And then you put on your jacket. Okay? Put the jacket on and you go from the boardroom, my darling, to cocktails. I just love it. I love it. Especially when you want to get rid of that shirt. I tell you a secret. Let me take this one out and let me put on like the blue one for you guys, just so that you can see how it all looks like. Yes. You know, with a shirt, because you can have slips with a skirt and go about your business. Go about your business. And the beautiful thing about this, there you go. Voila. And do you see the peekaboo blue? And this is so gorgeous, so pretty, and it's so casual, and it's so much fun. There you go. And they're like, oh, what are you wearing? What top is that? Oh, no, it's a slip. You cannot begin to know how many times I've gone shopping. And I do this religiously. When I need to try on clothes, I know I'm going to try on clothes. I know that most probably I'm take the wrong size to the dressing room and I have to dash out. I can't wear all of my clothes again. I have my slip on. So I am decent. I'm not naked, and I can easily dash out, get what I need, and run back. And it's not offensive to anybody. And it's a barrier also when, for example, your zip has burst, a button has flown off. You have your slips, you have your camisoles underneath as a barrier to exposure, to any unwanted or uninvited exposure. When I say unwanted, I say that you're not trying to expose yourself here and now. Maybe later for the experience, but not now. And that's what it is, my darlings. I will take you shopping. We will go shopping here in London so that you guys can have an idea. You can ask the sales lady what they have, because a lot of the times they don't have them out. They have them folded, they have them covered, they have them in drawers, and you can just say, do you have any slips, you know, out there? Do you have different colors that I can look at? And you go from there. But they are an essential part of my getting dressed every single day. That is just my thing. When I'm getting dressed to go to the airport, when I'm going out and I know I might be away for a while, I always have my undergarments in place. All right, my sunshines, I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I will see you when? I'll see you next weekend, my darlings. Love you. And you just let me know about the hair. I had to flip it a little bit, you know, because what was happening was I love my ponytail, and I started bringing the ponytail down. You know, I love my bun, you know, I love the ponytail, but I thought, you know what, let's flip it. So you guys let me know if you like something like this, and then we'll do some wig styles, different shapes, or for the face and everything that really looks super natural and makes it look hot. Mwah. Love you. I'll see you later. Bye.